The preamble of the Constitution indicate the source of the Indian Constitution. It is not the objective concerned in the preamble, secure shelter and proper livelihood to all. The idea of social, economic and political justice has been taken from Dash Revolution, French Revolution. The concept of equality and fraternity has been taken from Revolution, Dash Revolution, Russian Revolution. Which of the following is described as the soul of the Constitution? Preamble. Which of the following is not treated as part of the Constitution? Fundamental duties. Democracy of India rests of the fact on the fact that people have the right to choose and change the government. The word democracy is derived from the Greek word demos and kreos. India opted for a federal form of government because of linguistic and regional diversity. What is the chief ultimate source of political power authority in India? People. A flexible constitution can be amended easily. The judiciary acts as an guardian of the constitution in a federal government. India is a secular state because it is described so the preamble of the constitution. Our constitution has laid emphasis on securing social, economic and political justice to all the citizens of the country. The objectives are aimed to secure a welfare state. Modern states are generally considered as welfare states. A state which does not promote or interfere in the affairs of religion is referred to as secular. The Constitution is a dynamic law. The Constitution of India provides single citizenship. The Constitution provides power, responsibility, limitations. The fundamental organs of the state are established by Constitution. Detailed provisions regarding accusation and termination of Indian citizenship are contained in Act passed by the Parliament in 1955. Which of the following is not a condition for becoming an Indian citizen? Acquiring property. A person can lose citizenship through deprivation, termination, and renunciation. The aim and objectives of the Constitution have been inserted in the preamble. The office of the Governor General of India was of the first time created under Regulating Act 1773. According to the Act of 1858, the territory was divided into provinces. When did the British Crown assume sovereignty over India from East India Company? 1858. Morley Minto reforms were implemented by the Indian Council Act 1909. Which of the following is also known as the Act of 1919? Montague's Chelmsford Reform Act. Under which of the following act was provincial autonomy introduced in India? Government of India Act 1935. Who made the Constitution of India? The Constituent Assembly. A Constituent Assembly is convened to frame the Constitution of the country. The Constituent Assembly was set up to under the Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946. Which party was not associated with the Constituent Assembly of India? The Communist Party. The Republic of India established by the Constitution is sovereign, socialist and secular. The mind and ideals of the farmers of the Constitution are reflected in the preamble. In our Constitution, what justice is not given to the citizens? Technical. The present 5-year plan 2002 to 7 is 11th. Amend means remove the difficulties. Enact means pass a law. Who advocate Gram Swaraj for the growth of village? Gandhiji. Purna Swaraj was declared as the goal of the Congress on December 1929 in the Lahore session. Our Constitution provides untouchability. The Constitution declared India as a republic on 26 December 1950. Who has given the following statement? Democracy means a government of the people, by the people, and for the people. Abraham Lincoln. Which of the following features was borrowed by the farmers of the Constitution from the US Constitution? Removal of judge of the Supreme Court, judicial review, or fundamental rights. The ideal of liberty, equality, and fraternity enshrined in the preamble of the Constitution were adopted under the inspiration from French Revolution. Dash is the chief force of political power in India, the people. The Constitution described the Indian Union as India, that is Bharat. The Constitution of India described India as union of states. The two persons who played a vital role in the integration of princely state were Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and V.P. Menon. The states were reorganized on legalistic basis in 1956. Which state enjoys the distinction of beginning the first linguistic state of India? Andhra Pradesh. The Indian federal system is modeled on the federal system of Canada. India is known as the parliamentary democracy because executive is responsible to the parliament. Thank you.